Now in the next activity, two refills have been taken and both the refills are rubbed with polythene. So when you are taking two balloons, then they are of same material. Now you are taking a refill and you have rubbed it with polythene and bring it to a charged refill. That means both the refills have been rubbed with polythene and you bring both of them nearby. Is there any effect on the refill? Do the two attract each other or repel each other? So in this activity we have brought close together the charged objects that were made of same material. Same material here is a refill. So when you rub a refill with polythene, you are rubbing same material with the same object. So when you rub a refill with same material, what happens? If two charged objects are rubbed with the same material and the objects are also of same material, then both the objects will acquire same charge. So that is, when objects have same material and they are rubbed together with the same material, then they acquire same charge. In B part, a balloon has been shown. A balloon is rubbed with wool and a refill is kept in the jar. This refill has been rubbed with polythene and the balloon has been rubbed with wool. Now both are different. Since both the objects are of different material, they will acquire different charge. When we bring both the materials nearby, when a balloon which has been rubbed with wool and it is brought near a refill which is rubbed with polythene, now since both are different materials and they have been rubbed with different objects and different material, they will acquire opposite charge. When you bring the balloon near the refill, we will see that they attract each other. So this gives the second law of attraction and repulsion, that objects which acquire opposite charge, they attract each other. In the previous activity we read that objects which have same charge, they repel each other. Here we are reading that when objects are made up of different material and they are rubbed together, they acquire opposite charge. So like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other.